Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you a wonderful recipe. It is seafood boil. Yes, that's what we'll be doing today. And because we are using lots of ingredients, we will just put the ingredients in the description box with the measurements. I'll be showing you around everything we need, and let's get started. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil to my pot and my butter, which is 250 grams. Blow it, allow it to melt. Minced garlic, 200 grams. Mix it in, and to that I'll be adding the 1.5 medium onion. I've already diced it out, so I will allow it to cook very well for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's okay now. I'll be putting the parsley, 50 grams of parsley. Then all my spice. I have their names in the description below and the measurements. Now we'll be adding like 500 ml of water for the start. My chili sauce, my hot sauce, barbecue sauce. Now I'm adding 500 grams of sausages to it. You can cut it into any size you like. This size is okay. And I'm adding juice of 2 whole lemon. I'll squeeze it in. Look at the sauce. This is so nice. Now I'll be adding the squeezed lemon to it for the tangy taste, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want, but I prefer to use brown sugar. So I'll cover it for like 3 minutes. Then I'll be taking out the sausages. Wow. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Just look at the sauce. Wow. So I'll be taking out the sausages now. Have a taste. I'm not greedy. The sausages are out. They must have infused their flavor into the sauce. So what will be going in now? My potatoes. One kg of potato, the red one, and I'm adding corn. My corn 3, but I cut each into 3 into 3, so making 9. So I'm going to be adding water to it so that to be able to cook very well until it is soft. Then we'll move on. And then let me see, I'll be adding like 500. Let me just add like 300 so that you don't want it to be too much. Let's stop at 300. I it, cover it, and let it cook until soft. Let's check now. Yeah, soft. They are ready for like 15 minutes. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be taking them out so that there'll be room for me to put other things there. These ones are done. They are ready. See, I just need to show you this. This is nice. The sweet corn, it has absorbed all the juice. I've got all my crustacean ready. I'll put in the lobster. This is nice. This lobster, they are pre-cooked. They are cooked, so I will just allow them to absorb this sauce. Can you see that already? So the next one is my prawn. I'll be adding my prawns there, the king prawn. So I've already taken away all the guts. I'll just be adding them in there for them to cook beautifully. These ones are raw. They are not cooked. Oh my. Are you coming over? You are all welcome. Just finding space for them. I don't think there's any space again, so I have to leave this to absorb all those juice. So what I will do is I'll cover it, allow it to cook for about 6 minutes. That should be okay. And before that, my crab, I got this crab. I got 2 of this crab. So what I'll be doing is, I've already cooked it. I've cooked it. I will just open up the shell and cut it into 2. Open up the shell like I did to this. I took out the shell of this one, so I cut it into 2. So I'll be doing that. See you in the next 6 minutes. Yeah, see our lobster. Wow. I wish you can come here and join us. Wow. The prawns are ready also. Don't overcook them so that they won't feel as if you are eating rubber. We just want them soft and juicy. Ooh la la. Everything is out now. I should have used a bigger pot. That's what I should have done. Next I'll be putting in our smaller prawns. These ones are not cooked, so also our mussel, those ones are cooked, because once they are cooked, that is when the shell is opened. I just want them to take in the juice from the pot. I will leave it until the prawns are cooked. It should be like 5 minutes to 6 minutes, and that is it. I'm only allowing the mussel and the prawns 3 minutes because I want to check again. The package says cooked prawns, so I don't want them to be overcooked. I'm bringing them out. I'm putting in the crabs now to cook properly. I also have here crab claws, but these ones are cooked, so I will be putting them in now. When the crabs are almost done cooking, I will put these ones there so that they too can absorb the juice. We are almost done with our first part of the seafood boil. Now I want to show us the second part, what we'll be needing. Butter, I have 250 grams. I'll be using 3 of them. 2 lemon, and all this. Majorly I want to show you this Obe seasoning, Sriracha seasoning, seafood seasoning, and this is Creole blend, black pepper, sweet chili sauce, which is very good, tomato ketchup. Yeah, I've already mixed everything here, all this. Put them here. Then the parsley, sugar, garlic. The measurements are in the description. My onion, I will be dicing them, and that is it. I will just be going through it. So if you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up. These are the claws. Let me just take them out. And our crab. Look at it. This is so beautiful. So I will take everything out and we'll go to the second part of this seafood boil. My butter is almost melting, so allow it to melt very well. The onions are going in, and the garlic. Don't forget, you can check out the measurement in the description box. We're going to allow them to, the onion and the garlic, to cook very well for like 3 minutes. Don't forget, we are using butter, so be careful of the heat, medium heat. Now all the dry herbs, the spice. In goes the hot chili sauce, the sweet chili, and the rest. Now The parsley is going in. The sugar, brown sugar. This is our butter sauce. This is really good. Excellent. Wonderful. The lemon, squeezing in the lemon. The two of them. Our butter sauce is ready. My house is filled with this aroma of the butter sauce. Wonderful. I'll see you when I serve the food. This is it. We're done. Our seafood boil. Seafood boil. Look at the prawns, the smaller one. You can see the smaller one here. Where is it? Where is it hiding? Come out. See it? The crab. The crabs are here. The lobster. See it? All are well soaked. The potatoes, the corn, everything is here. Mussels, everything. What I did was I put the sauce from the pot that I used to cook all these wonderful things. Okay. I put it in the tray, layered all this on top. Then I now put the remaining sauce on top of the seafood boil. So what I'll be doing is the lemon, I'll be squeezing fresh lemon on top. This is so wonderful. Then the butter sauce, I want to drizzle on top. Is your mouth watering? Yes. Yes. That's it. Oh, this is so wonderful. Then, final stage, the lemon. I'm going to have a taste. Let me take out of the potato. Dip it in the butter sauce. Into my mouth. See it? Oh. This is a recipe to die for. Trust me, you need to try this. Today we have explored and we have discovered how to make seafood boil. So easy. Now we're going to enjoy it together. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, comment in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification bell when you press the subscribe button. Till next time, bye.